Hey, thank you so much for buying. What did you buy? What did you just buy? Oh yeah, you bought the Pro upgrade. You bought the Pro upgrade to Birthday Wisher, which gives you the ability to actually put dynamic images that are personalized and customized in with your posts and in with your messages. I know I didn't give you a lot of time on that offer, but you got to admit, I gave you a really good deal. And now, since I know you're one of those action takers, and when you see good deals, you take them, I want to give you just one more good deal. You know, at the beginning when I gave you the free starter account, I showed you that we charge $27. We charge $27 a month for the Pro account, and then $47 a month for the unlocked account. The unlocked account, excuse me. Whoa, excuse me. Sorry. 1 second, I'll get to that great offer. The unlocked account is what's going to give you additional touch points. The unlocked account is what's going to give you access to the advanced happy birthday wisher, which is going to allow you to send direct personalized messages to your leads, to your friends, up to 7 days before their actual birthday. So you can message them the day before their birthday, 2 days before, 3 days before, 4 days before, all the way up to 7 days before their birthday. You can reach out to them and you can start a conversation on autopilot. It's also going to give you access to the happy birthday follow-up. That's like the reverse of advanced happy birthday. That allows you to add yet another touch point and send another customized, personalized message on autopilot without you having to do anything up to 7 days after the lead's birthday. So you can send it the day after, 2 days after, 3 days after, up to 7 days after, and create another touch point. So now with this upgrade, you can post on their wall, that's a touch point. You can send them a message on their actual birthday, that's another touch point. Everything's customized, everything's personalized. You can include the dynamic images. Then you get another touch point. You can send them a message before their birthday. Another touch point, you can send them a message after their birthday and follow up with them. That's 4 touch points that you actually get just around their birthday. That's enough touch points for you to really start conversations and build a rapport, and them actually start to remember who you are and be interested in actually engaging with you. And you're also going to get, with the unlimited upgrade, you're also going to get the gender-based messaging, which means that you can have different messages for your guy friends, different messages for your female friends, and even different messages for people who are neutral and they don't identify as either one. So you've seen before, this is something that we normally charge $47 a month for. If you don't take this upgrade right now, you can upgrade later, and it is going to cost you the full $47 a month if you upgrade tomorrow. All right? If you take this offer, you can see below, I'm giving you a massive discount if you want to go ahead and actually upgrade to the full unlocked version, unlock every feature in the software. And if we add more features, and we do, when users just like you suggest them and say, hey, this would be a great feature, if it actually makes sense and it is actually a great feature, we're going to add it. And I can guarantee you, if we add it, I'll guarantee you'll get access to it, because the unlocked account is our highest paid plan. So on any other plan, they may or may not get access to it, but you, as an unlocked user, you will definitely get access to any new features and functionalities that come out. You can see below, I'm giving you a great discount if you sign up monthly, and I'm giving you an even huger, like an insane, massive discount if you just go ahead and pay for the year right now. So anyways, that's the offer. Take it or leave it. Either way, whether you take it or leave it, if you take it, it's a great deal. You're going to love it. You're going to get a lot of extra value from Birthday Wisher. It's going to actually help you get leads, get sales, really build relationships with people, on autopilot. If you don't take it, that's totally fine. I just want to be honest and transparent with you, and just keep in mind that if you want to upgrade tomorrow, it's going to cost you the full $47 a month. You can go ahead and take it right now, get the discount, and if you're not happy, if you're not satisfied, you have 30 days full money back guarantee. If you don't like it, if you're like, I hate it, I don't want it, you can go ahead and just ask for your money back. No problem, we'll give you your money back, all right? So I don't want you to miss this opportunity. It's a great offer. It's highly discounted. You're going to wish that you took it. There's nothing to risk. It's going to cost you a little bit of money right now, but if you're not totally blown away, you just ask for your money back. We'll give you your money back. All right? So if you're interested, just click either the button for the monthly, or if you want the better deal, the even better deal, go ahead and take the yearly. If you're like, nah, not interested, already paid $17 or whatever, then you just click the thing at the bottom that says, no, I don't want this. All right? Anyways, again, thanks for signing up. Hope you love the software.